see you guys in there. Somebody over there, he's double checking everything I'm doing. So it's all good.
Can I hang on to this?
Yeah, definitely. Definitely hold on to that.
You're a fucking asshole, I hate you.
Yeah, I don't know. It's like when you're
Yes. I don't feel the love.
Alrighty guys, so before we go anywhere, just here, you can sit down and feel the weight of the harness. Okay? Feel that holding you.
Sit down.
Perfect. Yeah, that's it. Just lift your legs off the ground. There you go.
No problem, baby.
Well, that's easy.
Oh, good.
I'm going to tighten this right up for you. Don't go anywhere. There we go. Alright mate, take yours up as well.
Yeah, why not?
I'll save you too. Okay guys, now let's get some photos, okay? So over your right shoulder, you just want to look back over this way, there's a camera here. Give that one a wave and a smile, there we go. Alrighty guys, now we'll lift you out there, here we go. Alrighty guys, now over to your right, there's a camera out there, give that one a wave and a smile. Beautiful. How are you feeling mate, you alright?
Yeah.
Do you want a countdown or a surprise? Surprise!
Right.
She's laughing hysterically. It was a nice spring rainfall coming through, isn't it?
Ah, it's going down nicely.
But smell coming. She's still going. Loving it.
That's sitting 120 metres. The cable goes out 120 metres. Basically, there's a big contraption sitting on these wires here. You drag that in, and as that comes in. Sorry, the front part's going down. Do you guys still do it, or you don't too many times? No, I haven't had so many opportunities to actually go on it, so I think that's good. Yeah.
Oh yeah, get it drum out. Yeah, my gum's lost all its flavour.
Sorry?
My gum lost all its flavour about an hour ago.
Yeah, kind of wasn't expecting
Let's go,
10
kid,
bits.
let's go.
That's a big jump in for 2.
It's probably a good thing I stayed there now. Good call, Mr. Sullivan. Every now and again.
But then I undo it all. We all love down here.
Oh yeah.
There's a little bit of hate on the YouTube, so it's all love again.
I was almost tempted as soon as I had that clip on. It's like just dragged me out there. I think she was right with it, so. How you going there, guys? You alright? Yeah. Alrighty, we'll bring you back in. There'll be a little bit of noise, but it should be all sweet. Usually is. Oh, holy moly. Oh no, stop. Nah, we're just gonna wait for that swing to drop down a little bit, then we'll bring you back.
$35, huh?
Yeah.
No, John.
Why, do you want us to just drop you right now?
No, I'm fine right here.
Okay, here we go, we'll bring you back. Look at that, beautiful. go to school, look.
Fine, as long as she's not falling.
Alright, guys, you can stand right up there. Use your legs.
My feet hurt.
There you go. How you feeling? You alright? Jeez, that's massive.